Oh, this is the clock I picked up from the auction. It's in good condition. Pendulum, to the start of the pendulum in my stock, I ain't really serviced it yet. I come with 2 keys, pendulum. Nothing wrong with the clock whatsoever. The detail of the clock, look. Nothing missing, nothing like that. If I tell you how much I paid for this clock, you wouldn't believe it. I told you. You wouldn't believe what I paid for this clock. I'll show you the clock donging. I'll open the door and show you the clock donging. Well, because I'm on my own today, so I have to lean the clock back to the chimes on it. So my brother's gone to Leeds. When I ask him to go anywhere, he'd have, oh, well, I'll go all over there, so I'll go over there, 2 hours back. Might ask him. He's soon in the van. Well, so I'll show you it donging now, look. There with the camera. Past. If you ever get a clock where there's 2 ways you do a clock. Say it's donging now. If that was donging, it says 6 o'clock and it's donging 5. You can then move the little lamp to the 5, or behind there, I don't know if you can see it. But it's quite dark. There's a little lever. So you click the lever, it's a dong the clock. So you can keep clicking till you dong it to the right. So it says dong at 3, but then it says 6. Keep pressing the dong 4, then 5, then 6. So thank you for watching the video. Appreciate everybody watching the video. Thank you.